Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Greatday HR's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Greatday HR's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in app.greatdayhr.com and make a search. You will end up on the login page of your Greatday HR's account. Enter your username or email address and password, choose your company and tap on login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. Tick mark on the box that says Keep me logged in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. You can also log into your account using your Google or with other methods as well. This is how you can log into your Greatday HR's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.